Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. And today, it's the first day of the week, and what we're going to do is abs. So you're going to burn your complete core, and we're going to do a lot of ab workout along with it. I had promised my team here that every time I do an ab exercise, we're going to incorporate a little bit of the Kegel workouts as well. So we're going to do that again. So every workout, every day, we are going to end with an ab exercise from now on, and also incorporate a Kegel workout whenever we do the ab exercise. So that's what we're going to do. So it is going to be intense. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, the first exercise, you're going to lie on the floor. There is a balance beam there. So you're going to keep your leg on top. Raise one leg as high as possible and bring it back down. Yeah, they're going to start. It's enough space for them. Now, let's start the exercise. Watch them do it. It's going to be 20 into 3 and it's going to be intense workout today. So let's watch them do it. Doctor, continue. Right.
Left.
Alright, what you're watching them do now is the hip flexors and the abs working together. So this is again part of Kegel exercises where you lift your hips up and down. So your lower back works, your glute works. You'll have to lift your hips all the way up and flex, work on your abs at the same time. Work on your hips as well. It's an intense workout. The whole core works to strengthen it. Okay, the next exercise. Alright, you're going to turn around. Okay, just flip around, do the same thing. You're going to drop your hip down and bring it up to the plank position and drop it down. So you're going to do a Bhujangasana but facing down with only your hip going up. Right, you're going to do the reverse Bhujangasana. So you will be in Bhujangasana on the floor when you hit the floor with your hip. So you're flexing your spine and expanding your abs, and then you're contracting it when you come up right into the plank position. So there is another version where you can push your hip up, but let's stick to this first and then we'll do the next. What I told you is this exercise. So you are in the Bhujangasana when you're on the floor, right? And you come back to the neutral position. It's a pretty engaging exercise. Your abs work really well, including your lower back. If you know about hyperextension, on the hyperextension roller, that's what we're doing. We're not going up into the Parvadasana or the mountain pose, but just on the plank pose. So this is an amazing workout. Alright, what you're going to watch is the second version of it. Now starting off, middle, up, middle, down. So this is the second version. You have 3 versions of it. So middle, up, middle, down. So Bhujangasana, plank and Parvadasana. So middle, up, middle, down, middle, up, middle, down, plank, mountain, plank, down, plank, mountain, plank, down. It's an intense, guys. What you're going to see is the third version. You're going to go down and straight to the mountain pose. So the Bhujangasana and the Parvadasana, only 2 poses. You're going to go down to the floor and you're going to hit the mountain pose. So that's all. There's no in-between stop. This is a little easier than the previous one. The first one is okay. The second one is tough. This is a little easier. Alright, so let's go. Starting now. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Padma, lift, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What you're watching Gautam do is the easier version. Up, down, up, down. All right, that's the next exercise. What we're going to do is going to lie down on the floor, crunches. Okay, but we're going to do cross crunches. We're going to take the support of the hand so that you're not putting your spine so much in action and getting up and touching the toes. So that's what you're doing. So I've put them down on the floor in the supine position, and now you'll watch them do this exercise. Same 20 into 3. Okay. For people who are starting at little difficulty, it's 15 into 3. So what we started with is 20 into 3 and 15 into 3. It's still continuous on both sides. So this is how we're going to churn it. We're going to keep rotating the side, prone and supine, prone and supine. That's what we're going to do. Yeah. And if you're watching this video till now, like, share, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Left, right, left, right, left. So you're watching ab crunches, right, left. Some of them are using the hand to support, right, left. The others are not. So right, left. The easier version is when you get some support from the hand. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right, guys. The next workout is going to be in the prone position, and you're going to be in a plank and get your knees to the elbow. So you're doing mountain climbers basically, but in an inclined position. It's pretty intense than the mountain climbers. Watch it to know it. All right. So starting now. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. You can see two positions, one in the elbow plank and the other one getting done in the straight plank. So the women are doing the elbow plank and the men are doing in the straight plank. It's a very intense workout. It looks easy, but it's not. The next workout, okay, it's on your lower abs mostly, but it works on a complete ab workout. It's rectus abdominis working on. So you're going to push your leg up, push your leg down, okay, down the beam. So that's what you're going to do. Watch it. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Next exercise in the prone position. Okay, you're going to flex your leg down, wide. So you're going to do your obliques, work your obliques. Put it down, bring it back, push it down, bring it back. While you're standing in the plank, your rectus abdominis is working as well. Your obliques is working. So that's what we're doing. Okay. Try not to fold your leg when you bring it down. Take it just straight down. Straight down. All right. So you're going to watch the exercise now. Yeah. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right, left, 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 right, left,